Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to play FIFA Online with random opponents. First, navigate to the main menu and choose either Online Friendlies or Seasons. These modes offer the best opportunities to connect with other players. Next, select the option to find a random match. It's crucial to have a strong, stable internet connection, ideally with a download speed of at least 3 megabits per second, to avoid lag and disconnections during gameplay. Once you've initiated a random match search, you'll be prompted to select your team. Choose any club or international squad you're comfortable playing with. You can also adjust various match settings, such as the game speed or controller configuration, to suit your preferences. Take a moment to review your team's lineup and tactical setup before confirming, ensuring you're ready for the challenge ahead. During the match, focus on maintaining possession and executing precise passes to build your attacks. Effective defensive positioning and timely tackles are key to stopping your opponent. Don't be afraid to experiment with different skill moves to create scoring opportunities. Remember, online play often requires quick reactions and adaptability, so stay focused for the entire 90 minutes of gameplay. After the final whistle, you'll see a summary of the match statistics, including possession, shots on target, and goals scored. This is a great opportunity to analyze your performance and identify areas for improvement. In Seasons mode, you'll earn points that contribute to your division ranking. You can then choose to rematch your opponent or search for a new one to continue your online journey.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.